Hi, folks. Oh, realized some shit fell. That's not cool. Fell all the way across the porch. Odd. Okay, still works. So today I'm going to do something different. I don't have a table saw, and I have a chop saw. I have like a handheld one. Skil saw rather, not a chop saw. And I've got some sawhorse, so I'm going to make table saw stand device thing out of those. I saw this idea like on, I don't know, something. I'm going to see if I can replicate it more or less without much of a plan. Wish me luck. Now I'm using some shitty ass particle board that came with a like a shelf that broke. You know, the crappy shelves you can buy at like Big Lots. It's one of those. It's this stuff. It should be fine because I don't need this to do much except sit there. I'm gonna just kind of hope that it works. It's gonna be loud. I forgot to start music up, so I guess I'm not gonna use these. I'm gonna put them inside so I don't get sawdust on. I gotta start that before I start the stream. Mute this group chat thing. Okay, so here's a board. They're not big. What I'm going to do is one of them will be a tabletop, kind of a line kind of down the middle, and then I'll create like a little mount bracket to hold the saw, and then I'll create legs which will fit in the hobby holes, which they're not called that, but I don't know what they're called, on the bench. I think that'll work. I think it's going to work. I've got high hopes. Based on like nothing. I shouldn't have high hopes. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm going to put my mask on though, because that's what smart people do. And I'm doing my best to pretend to be a smart person. I gotta move some stuff, hold on. What a fun noise. Should have thought about how sawhorses work. Slightly terrifying. Probably position this better. Hi, Lauren. How's it going? I'm making loud noises with a saw. How are you? Now, these are really waterlogged. Holy crap, you're still watching. Hi. So I'm making a table saw table, kind of. I'm trying. We'll see if it works. The thought is, maybe, if... Who is beeping at me? Not acceptable. Okay. Doesn't matter. I don't work with actual tools very often, so... So far, everything's going perfectly. So, I'm going to glue these on. Oh, I should have made that bigger. Cool, cool. That's good shit. Fucking glue. Nope. Did I put it away? Surely not. I found it. I'm going to put screws through this too, don't worry. Alright, well, hopefully that works. After this dries some, I'm going to drill some holes in it, put screws through. I'm like 50-50 whether this is going to be worth shit. Probably generous, all things considered. I'm trying to think of how I'm going to secure the back. And I think what I'm going to do is I'll like build a little piece here, like a corner piece. A corner piece would probably be good. It'll have to be removable though. Okay, well, that's all I can do until that dries. So I guess I'm gonna work on the table saw thing again. Kind of, frankly, look, I'm a little iffy on if it's gonna work. The boards got waterlogged during all this rain we've had because I'm on a porch. I got the best piece I could, I think, for the top, so hopefully that'll be alright. The proof is really gonna be when I try to hang my Skil saw upside down on this thing and see what happens. Turn it on. Alright, I'm gonna switch to my good drill because I think the battery on this cordless one is dying. Drill some holes, put some screws in. I need a workshop, y'all. Like a real one. A grown-up one. Okay. Perfect. Alright. I don't know if you can see what I'm doing pretty well. Probably not. I'll try to reposition the camera real fast. All I'm doing is drilling some holes, but hey, is this a show or is this a show? Alright, so yesterday I cut these off, glued them down. The goal here is I'll be able to slide my table saw in. This will be flipped over, and then I'll have the blade sticking out the top and I'll have a table saw. I keep saying table saw what I mean. So now I'm just going to put some screws down to reinforce it. I should mark this off, but don't go too far. This one's intentionally removable. None of these are Phillips heads. Where the fuck did all my bits go? Oh, no, I just threw those there. What an idiot. Got him. Test fit time. Whoa. It's a little tight. Gonna have to cut a new line. It's fine. Nope, still doesn't want to go. I'm open to ideas. Seriously, if anyone has any ideas, let me know. This shit's already all glued on here. I traced lines around this bitch, and I know I didn't go over them. I left like a 1/4 inch around it. So I'm really confused. It works. It's not pretty, but it works. Now I want to test it. Shit, how do I turn it on? I gotta turn it on and keep it on. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little nervous about doing this. Okay, hey, it worked. Okay, I made a table saw. It's got a long way to go. God, I'm not gonna do the rest of this on fucking camera. I don't want anyone worrying.